Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that involves lassoing around contiguous values in a sparse table. The problem at hand requires us to identify connected components within the table and output them as separate subarrays. Quite a fun challenge, right? Now, let's tackle the solution to this problem. The first step involves using the measure.label function to assign labels to connected components in the array. By then utilizing measure.regionProps, we can retrieve properties of these labeled regions, such as their bounding boxes. Next, we iterate through each region, extract the row and column indices from the bounding box, and slice the original array accordingly to obtain the subarrays. It's a neat process that neatly organizes the data into separate tables. Continuing with the solution, we can further streamline the code by directly slicing the original array based on the bounding box coordinates obtained from the regions. This concise approach simplifies the process while achieving the same result of isolating the connected components into distinct subarrays. Building on our solution, the final step involves generating the output subarrays. By iterating through the regions and extracting the specified subarrays using the bounding box coordinates, we effectively separate the connected components into individual tables. The outcome showcases the isolated groups of contiguous values in a clear and structured manner. In summary, we've successfully navigated through the problem of identifying connected components in a sparse table and organizing them in a separate subarrays. It's a fascinating process that highlights the power of leveraging image processing techniques for data manipulation. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!